Hello and welcome to this video on genome editing, which is a rapidly developing technology that allows scientists to manipulate the genetic code of organisms. The ability to edit genomes has numerous applications in various fields, including medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. In this video, we will explore some of the applications of genome editing and how they are being used to solve real-world problems. First, one of the most promising applications of genome editing is in the treatment of genetic diseases. Genome editing techniques like CRISPR-Cas9 allow scientists to make precise edits to the DNA sequence of a patient's cells, potentially correcting mutations that cause genetic disorders. For example, researchers have used genome editing to correct the gene responsible for sickle cell anemia, a life-threatening blood disorder. Next, genome editing can also be used in agriculture to create crops that are more resistant to pests and diseases. Scientists can use genome editing techniques to modify the genes of crops, making them more resilient and less susceptible to environmental stressors. This could help to increase crop yields and improve food security, especially in developing countries. Another potential application of genome editing is in environmental science. Scientists are exploring ways to use genome editing to modify the DNA of microorganisms that can break down pollutants and toxins in the environment. By manipulating the genes of these microorganisms, scientists could create more efficient and effective bioremediation solutions that could help clean up contaminated sites. Genome editing can also be used to help conserve endangered animal species. Scientists can use genome editing to modify the genes of endangered animals, potentially improving their chances of survival in the wild. For example, researchers have used genome editing to create hornless cattle, which could help to reduce the risk of injury to both the animals and their handlers. In addition, genome editing can also be used to develop new drugs and therapies. Scientists can use genome editing to create cell and animal models of diseases, allowing them to study the disease more closely and develop new treatments. For example, researchers have used genome editing to create mice with human immune systems, which could help to accelerate the development of new drugs for HIV and other infectious diseases. Synthetic biology is a field that involves the creation of artificial biological systems. Genome editing plays a crucial role in synthetic biology, allowing scientists to manipulate the DNA of organisms to create new functions and behaviors. For example, scientists have used genome editing to create bacteria that can produce biofuels, potentially reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Gene drives are a new technology that uses genome editing to alter the genetic makeup of wild populations of organisms. Gene drives can be used to control or eliminate invasive species, reduce the transmission of diseases, and even protect endangered species from extinction. For example, researchers have used gene drives to reduce the population of mosquitoes that carry the malaria parasite, potentially helping to eradicate the disease. Genome editing has the potential to revolutionize personalized medicine. By analyzing a patient's genetic makeup, doctors can identify the specific mutations that are causing their disease, and use genome editing techniques to correct those mutations. This could lead to more effective and personalized treatments for a wide range of diseases. Genome editing is a powerful technology with numerous applications in various fields. From treating genetic diseases to improving agricultural yields, genome editing has the potential to solve some of the most pressing problems facing society today. As with any new technology, it is important to proceed with caution and carefully consider the potential risks and ethical implications of genome editing. However, if used responsibly, genome editing has the potential to make a significant positive impact on our world. That is all about the applications of genome editing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Explorified.